Welcome to Subramani. I hope more and more of you subscribe and watch the video till the end. I also want feedback on what kind of videos you want. I mean, I get a lot of feedback saying do videos in Hindi, but when I actually do, I do not get enough response. In fact, I get more response for doing a Tamil video than while doing a Hindi video. I haven't done Tamil for a long time, guilty as charged. I will come back to it, right? I also don't like to encourage people to ask questions because in many cases when people ask questions they don't give adequate information, and I realize that some of the things which I tell them is very dynamic, so 3 months later I may change my view, right? So also when people ask me questions about how is this fund, and every fund is good or bad depending on your point of view. There is nothing to say that one particular fund manager is good. What I can say is this fund manager was good in this period. How will he be next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 22 years? I have absolutely no clue how that guy is going to behave, because largely fund managers do some random acts which then looks like, wow, this was a genius move because some journalist points it out, but the truth is he himself didn't know about all that, right? So a guy who was overloaded in Reliance made fantastic money, but I'm sure he didn't know about all these transactions which were going to happen in Reliance. So very difficult to give such things, and normally my only advice in such cases is please find an advisor. If you're a DIY, I've done videos for you saying do you want to be a DIY, what qualifies you to be a DIY, if you are a DIY what kind of monitoring you should do. Please go through that. And I see, when I do a video on what is ROCE or ROE, I really don't get into how it is to be calculated. There are other videos, many people who will just say, okay, this is profit divided by sales, and then sales divided by equity, and therefore it get cancelled, so it's profit divided by equity. That is what it is, but it is the ROE is, for example, a combination of 3 ratios multiplied by each other. So I get more into the philosophy of why ROE is important rather than how ROE is to be calculated. For example, if I do something on PE ratio, it will be the philosophy of the PE ratio and not just the PE ratio calculation. I think everybody knows how it is to be calculated. It is just the price and earning ratio, right? So I try to be different. I try to do things which are not done by many others. Maybe they are catering to a different audience and I am catering to a different audience. Maybe my audience is smaller, but I am going to talk about retirement. I am going to talk about the philosophy of investing in equities and things like that. I will get into the philosophy of why your expectations from equity should now keep on going down as interest rates keep going down, right? I will talk about those things more on the philosophy and how it works rather than how it is to be calculated. How is PE to be calculated? You can find 20 videos doing that, but the philosophy of why PE, how you should manage it, you will find lesser number of videos. So I want to be in that place where you know these things, but more of my philosophy or my views on how these things are to be used. So that is what you will find. You will obviously find a huge emphasis on retirement. This is my largest selling book. It sold close to 2 lakh copies. So fairly obvious that I will talk about retirement. I will talk about the doctor's book because that is also sold something like 7,000-8,000 copies, which is not bad for a that is sold about 10,000 copies. It's in the second print now because a specialized book doesn't sell as much as a general book. Then there is this book, You Can Be Rich Too, with Pattu of freefincal.com. If you have not visited his blog, you should. He also has YouTube videos, so maybe you should go and have a look at what he does, right? So we are all very different people, so we do different things. So I go more into the philosophy of why invest and how to invest and what interest rates and dividend yields to expect and anticipate rather than how it is to be calculated. So I am different, but there is nothing which I have done which has not been done by somebody else in the past, either in India or in US. Somebody must have done something. I may have even watched it and I may have even copied it in the sense without even realizing that I have copied it, right? For example, I had a equity checklist which had a lot of similarities to Charlie Munger's checklist. Of course, his was perhaps more comprehensive, but I realize that some kind of checklist everybody has, and it's slightly different from each other. But yeah, you can't ignore the fact that I may have been influenced by the reading that I've done about, say, a Lynch or a Buffett or any of those people. So to that extent there will be bias. I'm an out and out equities guy, so you will find all my videos saying why equity is far superior to real estate and bonds, etc., etc. Though I do admit that there have been 20, 30 and even 40-year periods when bonds have outshined equity, right? So we have seen all that. So but I would still be an equity guy, because philosophically I believe equity is a different asset class. Thank you.